Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Target Neet 2023. इस YouTube channel में I will explain all the concepts needed for this NEET exam 2023. You should know about these three, which are shown in the pyramid. These are very important: hard work, time management, and success. If you do the hard work by the proper time management, you will reach the success. So this is a pyramid showing for you, and we will learn about what about it. Already you know that. Once again, I am reading. Yes, the National Testing Agency will conduct the NEET 2023 exam in July 2023. They had given the month, but they didn't announce the dates. They're announced in that year. Yes, NTA will conduct this exam, and the NEET is a national level entrance examination for admission to MBBS or BDS courses provided by the most of the national colleges in India. NEET UG exam is the entrance examination for the medical colleges, right? There are so many famous medical colleges in our India. Examples like AIMS New Delhi, AIMS Patna, like JIPMA, example, etc., etc., right? And next, and this NEET examination is completely based on the class 11 and class 12 syllabus. Yes, class 11 matlab junior inter and class 12 matlab senior inter, right? And there are three subjects in the NEET examination. First one is the biology, which includes the botany and zoology, and next one is the physics, and next one is the chemistry, right? In coming videos, we'll explain about this paper pattern and all. First of all, as the time started the new academic year, so we'll start about the biology lesson, that is the animal kingdom. Right? This is the introduction part. This lesson is completely based on the NCERT. NEET परीक्षा के लिए NCERT is बहुत enough है, right? The classification also helps in assigning a systematic position to newly described species. Actually, this is the fourth lesson of the NCERT and first lesson of the zoology, right? Yes, the classification also helps in assigning a systematic position to the newly described species. The species which are described newly, or you can also write that which were discovered newly. If certain piece was discovered or described, it must be under a separate group which can be studied very easily. That is the role of classification here, right? Next one is the basis of classification. In spite of differences in structure and form of different animals, there are fundamental features common to various individuals. You know that there are different animals. For example, taking rat, tiger, there is a difference between the lot of structure between these two species, but there are some fundamental features common to this species or the individuals or organisms. There are four. Those are arrangement of cells, body symmetry, nature of coelom, patterns of digestive, circulatory, or reproductive systems. Okay. Once again, I'm reading: arrangement of cells, body symmetry, nature of coelom, patterns of digestive, circulatory, or reproductive systems. This is the most important bit in NEET examination, and this bit had given in previous NEET question papers also. Next one is the levels of organization. We all know that the Animalia is a kingdom. In this kingdom, all the species are multicellular. All of them do not exhibit the same pattern of organization of cells. Yes, all of them do not exhibit the same pattern of organization of cells. Means, for example, some organisms have cellular level of organization, some organisms have tissue level of organization, some have organ system, right, etc. For example, in sponges, the cells are arranged as loose cell aggregates. In sponges, this is the first phyla of the kingdom Animalia. In this, the cells are arranged as a loose cell aggregates. That is, means they did not form any kind of tissue, right? Means they exhibit cellular level of organization. Some division of labor occur among the cells. Some division of labor matlab here activities, right? It occur among the cells. In coelentrates, the arrangement of cells is more complex. Coelentrates is the next phyla. We'll discuss later. In this, the cells are very complex. Here, the cells which are performing the same function are arranged to form the tissue, and they exhibit the tissue level of organization. A still higher level of organization is there, that is the organ level and the organ system level. Organ level is exhibited by the platyhelminthes and platyhelminth and other phyla where tissues are grouped together to form organs, each specialized for a particular function. In this platyhelminthes, the tissues will group together to form the organs, and each specialized organ will take out the particular function. Next, in animals like annelids, arthropods, mollusks, and echinoderms and chordates, organs have associated to form functional systems, each system concerned with a special physiological function. In these phylums, which are annelids, arthropods, mollusks, echinoderms, and chordates, organs these associate to form the organ systems or functional systems. In this, each system will take out the each specific physiological function. This kind of organization is called as the organ system level of organization. Yes, organ system is of different kinds. Different groups of animals exhibit various patterns of complexities. For example, if you take a platyhelminthes phyla, in which the digestive system has only single opening, but if you take we have two openings, that is mouth and anus. But in platyhelminthes, thus that kind of organisms have only one opening, which serves as both mouth and anus. In human beings, we have two openings. First one is the mouth and second one is the anus. But in platyhelminthes, we have only one opening, that was called as a separate name. Don't need now, we will read in the next upcoming concepts, but that serves as the both mouth and anus. So here the platyhelminthes digestive system is called as incomplete, whereas our human beings digestive system is called as the complete because we have two openings. Similarly, the circulatory system is also of two types. First one is the open type, and next one is the closed type. In open type, the blood is pumped onto the heart and the cells, and tissues are directly bathed in it. In open type, the blood which is pumped by the heart, it goes into the open spaces. In these open spaces, the cells and tissues are there. These will be directly bathed in it. So actually, it was a lowly developed circulatory system. But in closed level, the blood is circulated through a series of vessels. In closed level, the blood which is pumped from the heart, it will goes through a series of vessels. Vessels means we will say like blood vessels, right? Of varying diameters. These vessels are very small, some are large, and some are very tiny, like hair-like structures. These vessels are of three types mainly. Those are arteries, veins, and capillaries. In closed system, this blood is pumped by the heart, and they will go and they will receive to the cells and tissues by these vessels. There are three important vessels. Those are arteries, veins, and capillaries. Yes, and thank you, my dear friends. Please subscribe to my channel, and please like my video, and please share it to your friends and classmates. And all the best for your first session. Thank you very much.